Good day everyone. For today's video, we will be discussing about the cosine difference identity and the cosine sum identity. The cosine difference and sum identity were used to determine the exact identity of a cosine angle using standard angles. So the formula for cosine difference identity is cosine A minus B is equal to cosine A cosine B plus sine A sine B. This is the formula to be used when we want to identify the value of a cosine angle using the difference identity. So for the cosine sum identity, the formula is cosine A plus B is equals to cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B. So as I've already said, the formula for cosine difference identity is cosine A minus B is equal to cosine A cosine B plus sine A multiplied by sine A. So we have an example of cosine 30 degrees. Now, let us identify the exact value of cosine 30 degrees using the cosine difference identity. First, we have to find two standard angles that if we subtract them, their difference is 30 degrees. So we have 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. So if you subtract them, their difference is cosine 30 degrees. Now, let us substitute 90 degrees with A and 60 degrees with B. We have cosine 90 degrees minus 60 degrees equals to cosine 90 degrees cosine 60 degrees plus sine 90 degrees and sine 60 degrees. First, we have to identify the value of every cosine values. So first, the cosine 90 degrees equals to 0, while cosine 60 degrees is 1 half. And then, the value for sine 90 degrees is 1. And for sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Now, let us multiply these two first. So 0 minus 0 multiplied by 1 half is 0. Plus 1 multiplied by square root of 3 over 2 is square root of 3 over 2. 0 plus square root of 3 over 2 is square root of 3 over 2. Hence, this is the exact value of cosine 30 degrees using cosine difference identity. So let's say we have this example. Cosine 5 pi over 6. This example is in reading mode. So first, we need to convert into degree. So to convert this, we need to multiply this by 180 degrees over pi. So cancel 6 divided by 180 is 30 degrees. So multiply, we have cosine 150 degrees. Cosine 150 degrees. So we need to find two standard angles that if we subtract them, their difference is equal to 150 degrees. We have 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. So by substituting this, we get cosine 150 degrees. So let's substitute into the formula. Cosine 180 degrees minus 30 degrees equals to cosine 180 degrees cosine 30 degrees plus sine 180 degrees and sine 30 degrees. So first, we need to identify the value of cosine 180 degrees, which is negative 1. And the value for cosine 30 degrees is 3, negative square of 3 over 2. So the value for sine 180 degrees is 0. And then the value for sine 30 degrees is 1 half. First, we need to multiply this two. Negative 1 multiplied by square root of 3 over 2 is negative square root of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 1 half is 0. So the value for cosine 150 degrees is negative square root of 3 over 2. So next we have the cosine sum identity, which is used to find the value of the cosine angle. So the formula for cosine sum identity is cosine A plus B, cosine A, cosine B minus sine A, sine B. So let's say we have cosine 75 degrees. So first, we need to determine two standard angles that if we add them, their sum is 75 degrees. So 45 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 75 degrees. So we need to substitute this to the formula. Cosine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cosine 45 degrees cosine 30 degrees minus sine 45 degrees and sine 30 degrees. So first, we find the value of cosine 45 degrees, which is so the value for cosine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. And the value for cosine 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Next, we need to identify the value of sine 45 degrees, which is square root of 2 over 2. And the value for sine 30 degrees is 1 half. First, we need to multiply this two. So we have square root of 6 over 2 minus square root of 2 over 4.
Sige po siya.
So the value for this, when we multiply this, we get the answer of square root of 6 over 4 minus. If we multiply this two, we get square root of 2 over 4. Then we need to multiply the remaining term. So we have square root of 6 minus square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4. So this is the exact value of cosine 75 degrees.